In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the Timemark app. So this app is used to document stuff like images, videos, and the rest. So if you are a business and someone is taking care of a property for you, can take images and videos, and you're going to see some necessary info on there. So now let's tap on the template. After launching the app, you find it on Google Play Store and Apple Store. After launching it, this is how it looks like. Tap on the hamburger menu, top left corner. Good. After tapping that, you see my profile is appearing there, but then if you don't have any account, you see a login and sign up. You do that. Good. It's very simple. You can upgrade for you not to see any ads, and you can also remove the ads if you want to. And the timer, the ratio, the filter is all images and videos, settings. When you tap on that too, you go to the settings of the app. Yeah, you can link a Google Drive or a OneDrive. You can automatically save. You can all turn all these things off. Good. And then the developer watermark too, you can turn it on and off. It's up to you. Good. And the language, you can also turn it off. Team space and all that, you can turn all that on and off, and you can make that settings. Good. So this is how the interface looks like. So just like I said, it's for taking images and then videos, and then necessary information at that moment will be popping up. So good. So now let's tap on the template here. Good. And you can see these are a lot of templates. The template differs, so some of them entail a lot of information, some don't. Good. So you can see the one we have on is displaying only the time and something like that. We have ones that will entail a logo and all that. So let's say security. Good. Unable to get location, so they will need to access your location. Now let's close that. Good. So now let's tap on the template, and now we can even add a logo. You see there is a logo there. Tap on it and you upload your company's logo. Good. Business card, everything, inspector. You can even add this here, and then you enter the person's name. Maybe my name is Michael, so maybe Michael. Let's say I'm a security man, so Michael at that moment, and I save it. In this case, if I'm asked to send a video or a picture of a location, all these necessary details will be there, and my name will also be there, so they are going to know this picture was taken by Michael. So you can see on your interface, your top middle, you see verify photos. Just tap on that. So let's say you are a team and you need to verify images and photos that are being submitted. There's also another way to verify the images and photos to see whether there's been no edit or something of that sort. Good. Now let's come back. So here too, let's move to another feature. So another feature is you can also create a team and then add people. Good. So let's say I'm a manager and I create a team of like 5 security personnel, and I add all of them. So every photo and pictures they take, I get it instantly. So now tap on the hamburger menu, top left corner of your screen. You can see workspace. I've created Michael's workspace. So you tap on the new team, and then you enter the name for the team you want, and then you just do everything. After that, let me open my team, my workspace. Good. You can see invite here. So you can just tap on the invite, and then you share the link to your people you're working with, and they're going to join the team, something like that. It's very simple, like an invitation. So this is how sample images look like. Good. So just like I said, it's for people in the technical field. So it depends on the template you're going to choose. So you can see this has the date, the time, the location, and then the actual coordinates of the location, something like that, and some notes. And you can even add, this is like a worker's ID, something like that, PID 23. Yeah. So I think if you're using a name, maybe someone is also called Michael, so you can use an ID. So these are some of the samples of the images being taken with Timemark. So that's it on how to use Timemark. Very, very simple. They have a pro version, just like I said. You can go pro if you want to, and you can use it for videos, images, and all that. So if you are new here, you give me a like, subscribe to the channel. That's it for the video. Peace.